Hello, I'm John Henson, and I teach Latin 1, 2, Latin 3 honors, Latin 4 honors, and AP Latin. If you want to reach me, you can reach me at the school email, john.henson@sdhc.k12.fl.us. Do not bother calling me. I have no idea what my extension is, and I wouldn't even begin to know how to retrieve a phone message, so don't do that. We're going to go ahead and have our grades. We'll compile our grades this way. 20% of a grade comes from homework, 20% from classwork, 20% from quizzes, 20% from tests, and 20% from a project that we will have each quarter. Assignments, you can expect 2-3 homework assignments, but they'll always be short, and classwork will be, or there'll be time in class given to complete work, because I'm generally going to be the best resource for assistance. There'll be at least 1 quiz a week unless something crazy happens. So you have that to look forward to. We have a new textbook adoption this year. Be very excited. It is the Cambridge Latin series. Hopefully they'll be here when you get here. And if I understand correctly, there will be online access, which might come in handy, right? Anyway, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. There will be a digital syllabus on the Canvas thing, and feel free to look over it at your leisure, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.